Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to have an overview of chapter number 12, Surfing Internet. What is Internet? We all use Internet in our day-to-day life. The Internet is a worldwide publicly accessible network. Network means a interconnection of two or more computers. Now, Internet is a worldwide publicly accessible network because this network of computers and all the devices all over the world is publicly available to everyone. This network is made up of thousands of interconnected computer networks. The computers on the internet communicate with each other by using a protocol. This protocol is named as Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol, abbreviated as TCP/IP. This protocol is used by all the computers on internet to communicate with each other. World Wide Web. We all know about this term. We daily use this term, right? We write it as www, abbreviated as www. What is World Wide Web? This World Wide Web consists of millions and millions of documents or bunch of pages. These are called web pages because these are available on web or internet. All these web pages, the collection of all the web pages all over the world, that becomes World Wide Web. And these web pages may contain text, images, information, documents, resources, and many links to other documents and resources throughout the internet. This World Wide Web is abbreviated as W3 or WWW. It was developed in 1991 by Tim Berners-Lee in Switzerland. This World Wide Web should not be like this ki internet or World Wide Web is one and the same thing. It may be considered sometimes, but it is not like that. World Wide Web is accessed through internet. It is one of the service of internet that can be accessed with the help of internet, like any other service of internet, email, chatting, etc. Similarly, World Wide Web is also one of the services of internet that provides you web pages with information. Now, World Wide Web is considered as a true example of client-server technology. That means the client-server architecture of networking. What is client-server? How it is considered as a client-server architecture, or how it is considered as a client-server technology? Because whenever a person who uses internet, he or she uses the software known as web browser to open the web pages. We all use the web browsers. Maybe Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, or any other web browser. Whenever we open a web browser, we use the web browser to open any web page on World Wide Web, right? Then this browser act as a client because we are requesting the web page that we want from the server. We send a request, the web browser send a request for the web page to the server. The internet host that stores that web page after receiving the request passes that information to the clients like our web browsers. So that internet host act as a server. That means client server. Client is the web browser that requests the web page, and the internet host or the server that stores the web page that act as a server. Now, this overall flow of information between the client and the server is controlled by a protocol, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is also abbreviated as HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. The next topic is multimedia. What is multimedia? Multi means many and media means modes of communication. So when many modes of communication are combined together, that becomes a multimedia. Now, nowadays, the web has become a very important or very popular broadcast medium for all the multimedia, where we can listen to audios and enjoy videos. We can listen to any kind of videos or listen to audios and watch videos any type of, maybe recorded, maybe pre-recorded or live. Various plugins are required to watch these videos. Few examples of plugins are Windows Media Player, Real Player, QuickTime Player, Shockwave, Flash or LiveCams. All these are the various examples of plugins which can be used to watch the videos. Real-time communication. What is real-time communication? It is a term for any live telecommunication method. Telecommunication method in which all the users can interact in a live capacity. They can interact with each other live. Like if one is saying anything, the other is responding at the same time. Now, text, audio or video communication. All the three modes of communication can happen in real time or online on the web with the help of internet. Various real-time communication tools. What are the various tools? We can do the chatting for the text communication. We can type the text messages and get the answers from other people. Audio, we can give the audio recording, or we can do the calling, phone calling or internet calling or voice calling for audio communication. Video, like video conferencing or video calling. File transfer, transferring the information or documents from one computer to another. Document or application sharing, that means we can also share the software. All these things can comes under the various communication, real-time communication tools. Now the fact file. What are the various terms or important terms or names that we are supposed to learn? One, what is plugin? Plugin is a small piece of software. We had just read the term about plugin, like we need the plugins to watch the videos online. What is plugin? It is a small piece of software that adds a feature to a program or makes the program work better. It is a software, a small piece of a small software that can be used to make another program better. HTML. All the web pages which are available on World Wide Web are written by using the simple markup language called HTML. Vinton Gray. Now, who is that person? That person is considered as the father of internet. He's an American scientist. Ted Nelson. Ted Nelson coined the term hypertext in 1965. Hypertext means the text that can act as a link to another document. Skype. It is a very popular, most popular application that allows you to do instant messaging and make voice or video calls to other Skype users on internet for free. That means we can do the calling, either voice calling or video calling from one PC to another PC. Voice over Internet Protocol. This is another protocol, VoIP. It is a methodology for delivery of voice and multimedia sessions over Internet. This protocol is used for your voice and video conferencing or video calling, etc. for transferring your audios and videos over the Internet. Nicholas Genstrom and Janus Price. These are the people who developed Skype in 2003. Since 2011, Skype is owned by Microsoft. Requirements to use Skype. What are the various requirements? What are the various things that we require to use Skype? One, high-speed internet connection. We must have a very high-speed internet connection to transfer our voice and video calling. Speakers to listen to other person, microphone or headphone. Then you also need a web camera for doing the video calling. And one more important thing, you also need a Microsoft account to use Skype. Blogs. What is blog? A blog is an easy to create website that allows users to share their thoughts with the world. It is also one of the service of internet that allows us to share our views and ideas with the people around the world. The word blog comes from weblog. Weblog means because all the logs, all the blogs that we post on internet, they are dated. They are properly dated logs of individual postings. Now, the topic of blog can be anything. You can type, you can put your thoughts, you can have your thoughts on any topic, either personal, professional, political, social, art, economics, or anything that you want to share with the people. You can type the text, you can insert the images, you can upload the videos and give comments, and it can be an interactive activity by receiving the comments. Other people can give comment on your blogs and you can respond to them, and it becomes an interactive activity. Various popular websites for blogs. One is wordpress.com and the second one is blogger.com. Other websites are also available, but these two are very popular websites that can be used for blogging. You can use these websites to put your blogs. Now revise this chapter thoroughly. Thank you.